I'm going to show you the visual playbook that makes us $5,000 a month and you can steal it for free. I'm going to show you the playbook, the different software that we use, and the 3 steps how you can get started right now with your business. Now, if you're an entrepreneur or a freelancer, this is specifically for you. If you already have a skill, but you're trying to grapple with how can you sell your skills or how can you come up with a product or service offering that aligns with your target demographic, this is directly for you. So, if you're a freelancer, I would focus on helping service based businesses. Why is that? Because if you're targeting lawyers, electricians, plumbers, welders, doesn't really matter, a business that renders a service, you can help them with their lead flow. And if you can do that, they can have more qualified leads, which means they can have a chance to make more money. That's what you can do for them. Now, how are we going to break this down step by step for your business? The first thing is we have to start looking at giving away your valuable methodology for free. Now, you might say, Doc, that's crazy. Like you were just talking about, how does something like this lead to $5,000? Well, because if we have our methodology that we can show them what we're going to do for their business and what outcomes that they can expect, that allows them to know, like, and trust us more. And now we can have a further conversation. Think about it. How many people charge them $200, $300 for a webinar or a course that they never take? You're offering to have this to give this away for them for free to them, and you can show them how they can implement it in their business. Now, how could you do this? Well, you can create a simple video like this. You can use something like Dubb, or yeah, I'll just use Dubb. Dubb's a great example. So let's go to Dubb real quick, dubb.com, and I would then make a personal video for them. That's my dashboard right here. This allows you to make quick videos for you to explain to them what's going on. You could do the same thing with Loom. Okay, so that's giving our methodology that know, like, and trust. They're going to say, great. Now that you've taught me that, what am I going to do with that? For a lot of times, businesses are still overwhelmed how they're going to implement it. Well, what you can do is now go into step number 2. You can offer a lead flow audit or a workflow audit of their business. So, say, for instance, again, you're trying to get them more leads. You can do an audit of their systems. What do they have? How do they collect leads? What are they offering? Do they do this manually? Is there any automation there? You can do all of that for them to show them where they have gaps in their business and how you could help them, right? So, again, you're giving away your methodology for free. You're starting with a single offer. That audit, you can charge anywhere from 500 to 775. Depending on the target demographic, we usually go with 775 for an audit. It's a 90-minute audit of their workflow for their local business. And then we come up with a plan. For example, again, we now use our same methodology with very minimal tweaks to show them, hey, this is what I'm seeing in your business. This is what we would install in your business. We give them an opportunity to now implement what they learned on the audit, the call, and they have our methodology. They see exactly what we're going to do. We say, hey, great, you have all these things. You can do it yourself. Or we offer, here we go, we offer a integration package for $3,500 for 3 months. Okay, so the summary, we're charging them $10K over 3 months to install the system in their business, and we'll document it. We'll make videos for them, and we do a training session with their team. Okay, so we're showing them the roadmap, we're doing it for them, and we're training their team. So if they never work with us again, we're already empowering them to have an intern do it or someone internally in the company to do that for them. Let me know in the comment section down below. Have you ever tried something like that? Do you have a system of first documenting your methodology, teaching people your methodology, then getting them on an audit call, and then being able to offer a very specific offer for their business? Let me know in the comment section down below. Now, we have we have done everything wrong throughout the years to get to this point, and that's why we're fast tracking you right now, just like this, to get our methodology for free. There's a link down below for you to try this in your small business or for your business so you can talk to small businesses. So if you're a freelancer, if you do anything with automation, AI integrations, this is for you. Now, when you're starting with this right here, your methodology, if you haven't documented this, you can use Dubb, you can use Loom, or we're using StreamYard. Just record yourself of your methodology, and then you can start writing it out. You can even use ChatGPT or Claude to review the transcript of your video, and then you can start building out your methodology and go from there. Now, as we're looking at this, we've gone through the 3 steps. You might say, okay, Doc, but what tools do you use to implement your workflow in their business? Well, we use something called HighLevel, and this allows them to have an all in one platform for them to generate forms, be able to connect it to a CRM, a customer relationship management system, and the list goes on. Instead of having so many different other softwares like LeadPages, MailChimp, Kajabi, Zoho, whatever it is, it's all in one place for you to now execute on your plan and for them to not pay for all of these different softwares. Not only that, this will actually save them money, not because all of your things that you're doing and you're making them more money, but they could also potentially cut the subscriptions of other software because you could consolidate it all using GoHighLevel. So if you want to try this out, there's going to be a link down below. You get 30-day free trial, and you can go step by step and learn how to do this. But that's what we use. Let me know in the comment section down below if you've used HighLevel before or you're using something else. This methodology is really important. No matter what software you use, you have to have a concise system that goes step by step. We use HighLevel because it's an all-in-one software for us to get the most bang for your buck. $97 for everything that we need for the essentials for a business, for us to now give that to a business, a local business, and go from there. Now, that is the methodology that we talked about. We talked about our main software that we implement to use. Now, you might say, how can I start planning and use these different things like you've been showing right here? Well, we're using Puzzle, but you could use something like Miro or Lucidchart to build out your workflow of what you would be giving them. So that visual playbook, use a software, whatever is comfortable with you. Now, the next question you might be asking, okay, Doc, that sounds really great. How can I start automating or reaching out to businesses that are focused on this? Say, for instance, local businesses like different lawyers, plumbers, electricians, welders. How could I do that? Well, there are 2 different ways that you can be doing this. I'll show you 2 different platforms we use. Number one, we look at Synovio. We've used them for a long time. You can find leads and then you can automate outreach. This allows you to have curated lists and be able to then target your audience and then go step by step. A lot of times, if you do manual emails, you're waiting or it's just overwhelming trying to do this manually. You can have workflows. So when people are responding, you can have different sequences to go through for you to close the deal. You can do a bunch of other things. You can go for an email finder. You can start doing email verifying. So that way you can make sure it's a great email before you send it to them. You can do LinkedIn automation, and also they have a sales CRM. Depending on how you go about your sales, there's different things that you could use. You could even use HighLevel, possibly, depending on what you're trying to do and how sophisticated you want to do the follow-up. But we use Synovio. And then now also what we have seen effective, and we're going to show the results of what we're doing here, is Flow. And this is specifically for LinkedIn. If you're interested in that, there's going to be a link down below to try it out. But this has been really effective, and they have a brand new CRM. So instead of being in LinkedIn all the time, we can see what's going on at a high level, keep track of our pipeline, and be effective with LinkedIn. Now, if you're ready to take your freelancing business to the next level and to have a consistent income with your right target audience, make sure you get the link down below to steal this exact workflow and the steps to make sure that this becomes a reality. This isn't just clickbait. This isn't something where you can get rich quick scheme or anything like that. This comes down to your expertise, you're packaging it, and then you're helping real businesses make real money. If you like these kind of videos and you want to see more of this, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you like these videos, consider liking and subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.